Hey everyone, it's Dr. Kelly. I am doing some pre-analysis before I actually do my PAC coin redemption, and I wanted to show you some of the things that I found so far. The first thing I wanted to say is please make sure you have your PacCore wallet downloaded on your computer. Okay, so that's the first thing. Make sure that's already there. I want to make sure everybody has enough time to get their coins in by the May 31st deadline. And if this is not already on your computer, it might take some time for it to get on your computer. Okay, now I have not opened mine up. It's been on my computer, but I haven't opened it up. But since I'm getting ready to do the redemption in the next day or two, I decided to open it up and see what's going to happen. So when I clicked on it, this is what happened, and as we can see, it's 8 weeks behind, and it's synchronizing with the network. So it's synchronizing with the blockchain, and it's 8 weeks behind because, again, I didn't need it to be open because I wasn't doing the redemption until the last minute because I wanted to make sure I got the last mining of the PAC coins. Okay, so now it's open, it's doing what it's supposed to do, it's running. This is not unlocked yet, so that's fine. It will be, and we'll be moving forward. So I wanted to show you that. So please make sure that you have this on your computer ready to go so that you're not waiting for this to download, because it might take a day or two or three for this to actually download. But wait a minute, I don't think it took that long. But anyway, I just want you to be aware and ready just in case. Okay, so that's one thing. The second thing that I found also is this right here. They are warning people to make sure that you include your new wallet address when you're actually doing the redemption. So I'm going to go through that real quick. So I'm going to go to my old wallet and click on send coins. This right here is where you're going to insert your new address for the PacCore wallet. This is PacCoin, this is PacCore. All right, so what's going to happen is you're going to need to go to the PacCore wallet, get an address from here, and then plop that address right here. Okay, so that's what's needed, and that's what they are saying right here, is that some folks have not put in that address. So they sent their coins in to the PAC team, the PAC development team, but the PAC development team could not send back their PAC cash coins because they did not put, those people did not put an address in that spot. Okay, so that's one thing I wanted to show you. The second thing I wanted to show you was this here. They again, they've reiterated that you need to have this done by May 31st so that you can get the full 1,000 to 1 redemption. And if you, and the cutoff time is midnight, looks like. And so if you don't, and they arrive on June 1st, then you're only going to get 2,001. So that's the second thing I wanted to point out. And they also said to make sure that you do it in 48 hours time ahead of May 31st, just to be sure. All right, today is May 24th, so we still have plenty of time. So but I wanted to do this video so I can start making sure everybody is on board and we got everything set up, mainly this PacCore wallet on our computer set up, ready to go. Okay, so anything else I want to show you real quick? I think that's about it. I am going to be doing several videos to make sure that everybody is on board and we go step by step by step and get everything done. So first step again is make sure you have the PacCore wallet on your computer. Open it up, let it go ahead and start syncing with the network. All right, don't know how long that's going to take, so make sure you go ahead and get that on your computer so that's working. And then when it's time to actually do the redemption, which I believe might take I think they said it might take up to 2 days to get your coins back once you send them. Okay, but anyway, the quick thing is I'm going to do the quick version of this just to show you, but again, I'm going to do a video where I'm hopefully doing it for you and showing you step by step as I do it. But basically, you're going to enter in your new PacCore address that you get from the PacCore wallet. You're going to put that here. Here, where it says pay to, you're going to put the address that you get directly from paccoin.net. Okay, there are a list of addresses. The last time I looked at this, there were a list of addresses that were specific for each day. And it's actually according to, I think, CST time. I'm on Pacific Standard Time, so I have to go and find the specific address for the specific day and time according to how PacCoin website lists it. Okay, so you have to decide, you know, if you're going to do it on Wednesday or Thursday or Friday or whatever day it is, you have to go and find the address for that specific day. That goes here. Okay, and then you're going to put the amount that you want to send. Okay, I think personally I might do a trial amount, a very small amount, trial amount, just to make sure. That's how I like to do things. And then once I know it works, then I go and do the full amount. So that's what I'm going to do. So that's all you're going to have to do. And then you're going to click send, and then it's going to ask you, are you sure? Yes. And it's going to ask you one more thing, and you're going to say yes as well. Okay, so that's just the quick walkthrough of what you're going to do. Okay, all right, so that's it for this video. And again, look for an upcoming video where hopefully I can show you step by step what I'm able to do. All right, take care now, everyone. Bye bye.